Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Unfortunately, Usibalukhulu opened the DNA tests and Uvusi is his child, Uwenzeni is his child, but not the favorite Ukwenzo who always does things right, who is listening, who is obedient, who sees the father's vision. The one that is out of the way and always doing the wrong things, Uvusi, is the one. The one who's going to steal money from the pension fund and is the one umntana kaSibalikhulu. Ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani ke from la ukuthi uSibalikhulu uzozifihla kanjani lehlazo uyolithatha kanjani, we are not yet privileged to that information, but what we know definitely nakanjani ukuthi ukwenzo okuhle hayi uyolobola but angahlanga loboli because bathi mele kugcinwa amasiko, meaning ukuthi ekugcineni amasiko kuzokhulunywa ukuthi lo akuso wami lo wami lana yini da 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 da. I am honestly scared for Kwenzo, but let us see how that far goes. But ke Sangweni is adamant ukuthi uzoyenza i-chaos. Ukai is doing the most chaos nje, akabambeki, asazi ukuthi vele into yokushonela umama inje, while uVelephi naye is having problems with the staff members because the people that they are serving bayenza iphatha and they are uncomfortable with that. But ugirl uthi no, you have to be strong, this is the way to go. Will they be strong to an extent yokuthi baze bangene engozini or bazoyeka lo msebenzi? On the other hand, uSamke is pushing uNomfundo to go take her man. Why? She can already see that the world yakwaPhetheni is crumbling down, and this is the opportunity to put the final nail on everything.